Hello friends, we are 6 months into the year 2020. This year has been very challenging and full of limitations. Looking more into the year 2020 from the numerological perspective, let us understand this year a little more, and also understand what we may have in store for us. Now, if you look at the year 2020 from the numerological perspective, this year carries with it 3 digits. The digits are 0, 2 and 4 because 2020 totals to 40. Now, if we see there are 3 zeros, 2 twos and 1 4 in the year 2020. Now, 3 zeros, why? Because 2020 totals to 40. Now, what is the impact of 0 in this universal year 2020? 0 from the numerological perspective and the esoteric interpretation of 0. 0 signifies a number of things. As a individually, 0 as a number or a digit has no value, but when it is attached to any other number, it definitely enhances the value of that number. It magnifies the value of that number. Now, looking at 0 from the numerological perspective and the esoteric interpretation of 0, 0 signifies a number of upheavals. It signifies transformation. It signifies the dark side. It signifies the underworld. It also indicates that a lot of planning, long-term planning. It also indicates difficulties. So we have been seeing all of this through up to now, and also the thing is that 0 is attached to all the numbers this year. So it is attached to 2, it is attached to 4. So definitely it also magnifies the negative aspects of those numbers as well. Now, all numbers also have a positive aspect, and the positive aspect of 0 is that there is success but not without difficulties. So we have been seeing the vibrations of 0 very strongly this year. Definitely long-term planning is required. Definitely transformation has taken place, upheavals have taken place. Now, if we look at 2, so the numerological interpretation of 2 signifies duality, division, separation. It also signifies mental and emotional upheavals, a lot of mental restlessness. So 2, and it also signifies lowered immunity. So 2, the number 2 signifies all of this in the numerological sense. And another thing is that 0 has been attached to 2. So these vibrations have been definitely magnified. The positive aspect of 2 is compassion and healing. So I'm sure that the positive aspect also has been magnified, and we have been seeing a lot of healing happening as well. Now, if you look at the number 4, now number 4 is a number full of unforeseen events, unexpected events, limitations. It also signifies or rather it also indicates the 4 elements, that is air, water, fire and earth. It also indicates 4 directions: north, south, east and west. And number 4 also has a very strong impact, or rather it also is very strongly connected to earth. So if we look at it from this perspective, so number 4 definitely has brought about a lot of unforeseen events, a lot of unexpected events. It is also a number full of limitations, which we have been seeing till now once again. It is also a number that represents the 4 elements. So we need to really be a little more vigilant where the 4 elements are concerned: air, water, fire and earth. So air, water. Now talking about water is something that we need to be a little alert about the element water, the impact that it can have on us. Our country is also surrounded on the three sides by water, so we need to be careful and vigilant that no unforeseen event happens from these water bodies. Also the the four directions. So again, we need to be a little more on guard from all the four directions. So of course the element air and earth is also at play. So, and also all of this has been magnified by the digit 0, and so we really have a lot to kind of be alert about. And again, 4 is also the positive aspect of 4 is also about growth. So somewhere amongst all of this, definitely we can look forward to some kind of growth. Now apart from all of this, let us also look into the natural phenomenon occurring by the way of the solar eclipse and the new moon on the 21st of June. So if we look at all of that, a new moon always signifies manifestation. So somewhere let us collectively try and manifest manifest something positive. And an eclipse also signifies immense changes. It is as if the earth has changed gears. So let us collectively try and manifest a better future. And as per our scriptures also, an eclipse, during an eclipse, when we focus on prayer, meditation and mantras, it definitely has a very, very positive impact. So let us try on this new moon and this solar eclipse, let us try and manifest something by way of meditation and mantras. Another thing also that this new moon signifies and this eclipse signifies is or rather it kind of gives us an indication that communication can solve many a problem, meditation can solve many a problem, and also research and study will be very, very beneficial. So this is the indication of this year 2020, and let us hope for a better future. Thank you.